Hey, Kamela here from Creative Moms Decant. Today I'm going to show you super easy and affordable foil nails that look amazing. So we're going to use this leaf flakes and we're going to make an amazing manicure kind of like this one. I'll show you how I do it. Let's go.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
All right, so I went ahead and prepped my nails with Carmine Shine. It's Color Street and it's dry nail polish. So it comes in strips. And now we're going to put the foils on it. I also think I'm going to do some accent nails here with these poppies because I think it'd be too fun with this red and gold. So this is what I'm talking about. This is imitation gold flakes, gold leafing. And the pack that I get, it's 3 grams each, and it comes in the rose gold, the silver, and the gold. And the gold is what I'm going to use today. And you'll want tweezers, but basically this comes in sheets. So I just have my tweezers, and I'm going to pull sheets of it out. And some of them are going to be larger, and some of them are going to be smaller. But that's kind of what they look like. And then it's really simple. So you kind of have to be careful because it's foil, but once it sticks, it sticks. So you're going to decide where you're going to want some. I think I'm going to go for a smaller piece. Sometimes if you dig around, you'll find smaller pieces, and I might want those bigger pieces. So I like to find the smaller ones. I use this stuff for my keychains. So resin keychains, several of my keychains have this in it. All right, so once you kind of have a sheet of it and you place it where you want it, then you're going to want to use your finger, and it just kind of sticks. And you can clean up your edges just like anything, nail polish. Actually, it's easier than the dry nail polish to clean up. And I will say once it's down, it's kind of hard to move. So you do want to be careful where, you're placing. But that is all you do is press it on. And then so I can smooth it out with my finger. And that's basically it. You can cover this with Clear as Day is what, the Clear as Day is the Color Street clear. What I've been covering this with is our nail strengthener, and it's working wonders on my nails. I confidently applied a solid today, and I'm just saying that solid is snazzy, isn't it? I love it. So I am just going to make some decisions here, and actually I was going to leave these two without because I'm going to add the overlay and a little bit of foil on that one there. So, but you just place it on. It's extra clingy today. My hands, I must have static. But you just place it on with your fingers, and it kind of sticks, and then smooth it out. And depending on where you want texture or lines, you can kind of scrape and, play. And I love just the splattered effect on them. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and do my thumbs, and I'm going to do my other hand, and then I'll show you how I'm going to finish this mani. All right, so I applied that top coat, and aren't those foil nails looking so fun? I love them all. So I'm going to open my Flower Power. I'm sorry, Flower Power. It's also a Color Street, and I'm going to use 2 strips out of here for each nail. So I'll get to save my rubbing alcohol pad and my nail file. And I will also save all of these scraps. So I had all of those scraps from doing my nails already. So I love that. So a full set was on my nails, and I have scraps so I can do a pedi or save them for another day. I use the straightener method, get all the air out and seal them with a hair straightener. So let's place the Poppy That's on these fingers, and I'm sorry, the Flower Power on these fingers, and check out this mani. And that's it. This foil leafing is so easy to use. I will link it below. I absolutely love how this mani turned out. It is actually really very red. I know it's picking up orange, but it is. Very red color, beautiful color. And you'll have to let me know in the comments. I put a overlay on that one and I didn't on this one. I'm not sure that I like it over that. I think I like it much better on the solid and then the golds as my accent. So let me know in the comments, but that's how you play with gold leafing. I love it for keychains and it's super fun for nails. Have a joyful day. Bye.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your